MB Allen, Singapore VTIS. This is MB Allen, 9V1234. Reporting as per street rep. Requirements, due copy.
BTIS, MB Allen, this is Singapore, BTIS, copy. Please proceed your report.
MB Allen, Roger, Singapore BTIS. MB Allen, 9V1234. Date and time, 26 March 2025, 1230 VTC. Position, 01 degrees, 15.5 north. And 103 degrees, 55.0 east. Course, 245 degrees, knots, 12 knots. ETA Eastern Boarding Ground at 1300 UTC. Destination and ETA. Port of Singapore, ETA 1500 UTC. Track or route, westbound lane of the Singapore Strait TSS. Maximum drop, 12.5 meters. Cargo and hazardous goods. General cargo, no hazard goods on board. Restrictions, none. Ship size, 180 m LOA, 32 m beam. Remarks, no tug assistance required. Will contact pilot station at ETA. MB Allen. That concludes my strat report. Do you require any further information?
BTIS, MB Allen, your report is received and acknowledged. Maintain listening watch on Channel 10. Safe passage.
MB Allen, Roger. Maintaining listening watch on Channel 10. Thank you. Singapore VTIS.